Hey Gitika, we have a lot to say. You are so good at your work.
And you are a gem of a person.
And we do remember your Malgudi days.
Thank you for all the maza you bring to the team conversation.
And we'll miss you to Mars and back.
And all the best for your future and coming up opportunities.
And finally, lots of hugs and kisses to you.
Hi Gitika, this message is especially for you. It's been 4 years I have worked with you, and if I just look back, we have delivered a lot of key initiatives, projects, one after the other. We have done a lot of work. Our team has done a lot of work, and it was all credit goes to you. You used to, always make sure that you're getting good work for the team, and everybody is engaged, and ensure that everybody is, working and performing. I know we have had our share of ups and downs, and which is quite fair, because you don't like when somebody tries to push you out of your comfort zone, and you have done that almost every day. So that's why there had been certain instances, where we ended up fighting, or maybe we did not like something, but that is part of the job. So no hard feelings, but there has been, on the other side, a lot of learning, good work, appreciation, and it will, all the learnings which I have gained, it will stay with me, for the rest of my life. I am already reflecting, and in the long run also it is going to help me, so I thank you for that. And I am definitely going to miss you, because I have not seen a mentor like you, who is fully involved with the team, not only professionally but at personal level also. You used to make sure to check with each and every team member, what they are doing, how they are doing. If someone is going through some rough patch or anything, you used to make sure team is available for them, supporting them, giving them space. And if there is a good news, that also you used to ensure that everybody is aware, congratulating, and the team is celebrating. So those things we will really miss, and but I am happy that you are moving for the good opportunity. So I wish you success, and stay in touch. We will miss you, we love you as a team. Thank you for all the support.
Hi Gitika, congratulations on your new opportunity, and I'm very happy for you. I would like to thank you for giving me an opportunity to support PSC, CEO, and other strategic communications, and providing me with the guidance and support for the same. Your thought leadership and guidance have been an inspiration to the entire team. We would miss your positive energy and strategic thinking from now on. Your movement has left us with mixed emotions. I wanted to say that, Gitika. As you move on to the new opportunity, we just wanted to say thank you for being one among us. Wishing you all the best, great success, and happiness on your next chapter.
Honestly, I do not know where to begin this from, but I do believe that there are certain emotions every human at some point in their lives experience, however they often fail to put into words. And this is going to be one of those for me, definitely, without a doubt. I remember when I joined Tech Mahindra, I was young, I was 23 years old. And I have mentioned this before, and I'll mention it again, that I have grown up with you, Gitika. I've seen the team grow, I've seen you grow, I've seen myself grow, and I do not think that we can thank you enough for that. We've spent so much time together. Now that I think of it, all the late night calls, all the events, so many new initiatives, the work that you've gotten for us. It was diverse, it was challenging, it was exciting, and I think that's what made us what we are today as a team and what we stand by. And I'm just trying to hop on the Gratitude Express right now and express my gratitude towards the work that I've gotten, and all the credit, of course, goes to you. I also believe I have not seen a more hardworking person than you in my corporate journey so far. And I mean it when I say it, I have not. You have that hunger to go beyond expectations, and there's so much to learn from you. All the best for this new chapter, Geetika, and I wish you happy trails ahead. And of course, a heartfelt thank you for everything that you have done for all of us, and especially me. Thank you for supporting me every chance you got. I would remember you forever.
Hi Geetika, as you move on to the next chapter of your life, I wish you success, growth and happiness. And I would take a moment to thank you for encouraging me, giving me opportunities and giving me ample support wherever it was required. I truly am happy that we met and I got to know, got to learn a lot of things from you. So thanks a lot, and I wish you happiness and success always. Thank you.
Hi Geetika. Firstly, I would want to thank you for giving me an opportunity to work with you and the change management team. Though it was just a very short span of 4 months, you gave me a good exposure and also gave me a chance to lead the team. Especially I remember those days where we worked for Rapid My Skills, chasing 12 service line, GB and I, dividing 6 service lines. Though it was hectic, at the end of it, we felt a sense of achievement. And thank you for giving us an opportunity to work for this large scale program. And now, as you have decided to move forward in your career, wish you all the very best. I'm sure you will rock it, and looking forward to meeting you whenever you come to Pune, and hope our paths will cross again soon, and wishing you all the very best again. Thank you.
Hi Geetika, congratulations to you on moving ahead to the next organization. Firstly, I think thank you so much for all the inputs that you provided us while we were working with you in the team. I think a lot of learnings. I think one key takeaway is the way you work precisely, like each and everything with the quality and the output, how it gets delivered. I think that's just amazing. It was just wonderful working with you. Also, when we met in Hyderabad, I think the vibe and the energy is just amazing that you carry always. So thank you so much, and wishing you all the best. We will miss you for sure.
Hi Geetika. It feels like just yesterday we were working together, you leading the way with that perfect mix of confidence, clarity and care.
You have always had this rare ability, Geetika, to be assertive and still connect deeply with the people that you work with, making everyone around you feel heard and valued.
I've just learned so much from you, not just about work, but how to navigate challenges with grace, back your team fearlessly and still keep a smile through it all.
You have always been a mentor, Geetika, a guide and a huge inspiration for me. While I will definitely miss having you around, I am very excited to see you step into this next chapter and create an even bigger impact in the organization.
Wishing you nothing but success, happiness and endless new adventures. You truly deserve the best.
All the very best, Geetika.
Hi Geetika, hope you're doing well. I just want to say that we got to work together for just 2 months, but I couldn't have asked for a better mentor and a guide for me for my first corporate stint. And I loved every bit of working with you. You really handheld me throughout the whole 2 months and made my journey really fulfilling and happy in Bangalore as a new kid on the Tech Mahindra organization. I love to work with you. I just want to say thank you for all the love and support that you have given me throughout these 2 months, and without you my project wouldn't have even completed on time, or I couldn't have delivered to my best. But thank you so much for just being there and being the best you and caring for everyone so much as you do. And all the best for your new journey, and I hope that you will be happy wherever you go next, and I'll get to see you someday soon. Yay! Happy for you.
Let's play pretend now, don't be afraid now, stop being worried, this could be the way. We are what we made, I'm ready for a new start. Follow your dreams, no other way will be that great. And I'll keep searching for the best. Yourself in the rocket and believe you can be anything you want. Meaning of her action feeds the power of attraction. Let it flow, just let it flow. It's right under our sound. Picture yourself in a rocket and believe you can be anything you want. The meaning of her action feeds the power of attraction. Let it flow, just let it flow. And I'll keep searching for all the best.